Hi everyone, I'm here today to show you how to make these cute little rocks which are part of the Spring Landscapes crochet picture set. It's a series of 3 spring pictures. This is just one of them, and there are 14 mix and match motifs which you can create together to make your own unique landscapes. Now this is a seaside scene, and there's also a lake with a mountain scene and a hillside scene, and they are all gorgeous. So let's get started with the rock. I'm using Scheepjes Catona, which is a 4-ply or sport weight cotton, and I'm using this hazelnut colour. I'm also using a 3mm crochet hook. Okay, so to start, we're going to make a magic ring. Okay, so make a loop with your yarn like so, insert your hook into the loop, grab the yarn from behind and pull it through. Then I'm just going to create a little bit of tension there and put my finger in the ring to hold that secure, and chain 1, okay, to secure that loop. Okay, so now we are going to work 6 single crochets into the chain. Just bear with me 1 second. We're not going to work 6, we're going to work 3 single crochets into the magic ring. So you insert your hook into the ring, grab the yarn and pull it through, then yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay, and that is 3 there. So then we're going to tighten our end, tighten that loop up, and we're going to turn. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1. So even though we started with a magic ring, we're still working in rows. Okay, and we're going to work 2 single crochets into each stitch across. So working into each stitch, we're going to do 2. You can see that there. Now these can be used for a whole number of different things. You don't have to just use them for the landscapes picture set. You might be creating a different crochet picture, or you might want them for a card. All sorts of things. Okay, so at the end of row 2 we've got 6 stitches across, and we're going to turn. Okay, and we're going to chain 1. So for row 3 we're going to single crochet into the next stitch, then we are going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and we're going to repeat that across. So single crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, single in the next stitch, and 2 in the next stitch. And now you will have 9 stitches going across. Okay, then we're going to turn again. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to do a single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch, a single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 2 in the next stitch. And we just repeat that across. My yarn's making its way across the screen. Lovely. And 2 in that last stitch. Okay, so that was round 4. I think you've probably got the idea now. Chain 1, turn, a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then 2 in the next stitch, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches, and then 2 in the next stitch, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches, and 2 in the last stitch. And then we turn. Row 6, chain 1, a single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Right on the first one. Yep. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then 2 in the next stitch. A single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, and then 2 in the next stitch. And a single crochet in each of the next 4, and 2 in the last stitch. Okay, so that is the end of round 6, and at that point you should have 18 stitches. Okay, and then we're going to turn and we're going to work along the bottom edge here. Okay, so we're going to chain 1 and we're going to work a single crochet into each row end. Okay, so it's a bit tricky to get into the stitches, but just work evenly across each row end to create your rock. And at the end, whoops, you'll have a rock. And that just neatens off that edge like that. So I think that is it really. I hope you've enjoyed making a rock. Not the most usual thing to make in crochet, I grant you that, but it does look good in the seaside scene of my landscape picture set. I hope you'll come and join me. All the links are in the description below for the pattern, and all of the different YouTube tutorials for the different motifs are also in the links below. So do go and check that out. And there you have it, one crochet rock. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.